Again, calling the attention of the 18 to 18 years old and above advanced kata female, Alvarez, Metante, Pasagi, Vergara, and Acosta. Please proceed to Tatami 2 now.
Attention all monitors. Atong paspasag jutay ang kuan ha pag-facilitate sa players. So ang kanang on deck na players for the next category rather, i-ready na siya samtang mag semifinals ang ongoing category. Dapat naka-standby na sa tatame ang on deck na category while the current or the ongoing category is on its semifinal rounds. Attention all players for 16 to 17 beginners kata male. 16 to 17 beginners kata male, please proceed to tatami number 3.
89 years old foundation committee female. Calling the attention of Epic Kiara Luis from GS Philippines CV ACA and Balindres Ariana Daniel from GS Philippines. Please proceed to tatami 4 immediately. This is for 8 to 9 years old foundation committee female. All players under this category to tatami 4 now. Thank you.
Once again, 16 to 17 beginners kata male, please proceed to tatami number 3. Gusaga, Tabar, Babalcon, Bakusmo, Anderson, and Mangkikis. Once again, 16 to 17 beginners kata male, tatami number 3 now. Gonzaga, Tabar, Babalcon, Bakusmo, Anderson, and Mangkikis.
Last call, Metante Julian Ray, Pasagi Xavier, Vergara Jazariel, Acosta Erica. Last call, Metante Julian Ray. Please proceed to Tatami 2 now.
Beijing Epic Kiara Luis, JKS Philippines CV ACA. Shason Janelle Riley, JKS Philippines CV ACA. And Navasquez Janine, JKS Philippines CV ACA. Coaches, please tend to your players. Thank you.
Again, last call, Julian Metante Ray, Pasagi Xavier Jessa, Vergara Jazaril. Please proceed to Tatami 2 now. Again, Metante Julian Ray, Pasagi Xavier, Vergara Jazaril. Calling also Acosta Erica May. Last call. Please proceed to Tatami 2 now.
Last call, Epe, Siason, Navasquez. All ACA, all JKS Philippines CV. Please proceed to Tatami 4 now. Again, Epe, Siason, and Navasquez. Please proceed to Tatami 4 now. Thank you. Also, please proceed to the staging area now. 16 to 17 years old, intermediate kata male. Again, 16 to 17 years old, intermediate kata male players. Proceed now to the staging area.
Talamban.
Once again, non-players, non-coaches, parents, please step out of the staging area. Please. Please step out of the staging area. Parents, non-players, non-coaches, step out of the staging area. Now. Again, parents, non-players, non-coaches, step out of the staging area, please. Tatami 4.
Again, last call, Pasagi Xavier Jasa and Acosta Erica May from JKA Fields Talamban.
Calling the attention, 16 to 17 years old, beginners, Tatamel players. Proceed now to Tatami 3. Again, 16 to 17 years old, beginners, Tatamel players. Proceed to Tatami 3 and prepare. Thank you.
Again, last call,
Hello, sound check. Coaches of JKS Philippines CV, please check your players category. 8 to 9 years old, Foundation Committee female. Please proceed to the Tami 4 now. Epe Kiara Luis, JKS Philippines. Siason Janelle Relay, JKS Philippines. Navasquez Janine, JKS Philippines. Please proceed to Tatami 4. Last call. Thank you.
Once again, calling the attention of 16 to 17 years old intermediate Katamel players. Tatami 1 now. Again, 16 to 17 years old intermediate Katamel players. Tatami 1 now. Thank you.
tatami 4. 12 to 13 years old beginners committee female, proceed to tatami 4 now. Again, calling the attention of 8 to 9 years old advanced committee female, proceed to tatami 4. 10 to 11 years old advanced committee female, proceed to tatami 4. 12 to 13 years old beginners committee female, proceed to tatami 4. Coaches, please check the categories of your players. Again, coaches, please check the categories of your players. Thank you so much.
Once again, we would like to ask for the cooperation of the parents and coaches or non-playing athletes. Dili pa inyong kategory karon. Please step away from the staging area or else we will be forced to disqualify your team. This will result to the disqualification of your team if you will not cooperate. Hawani ang staging area.
Again, 8 to 9 years old Foundation Kumite Female, please proceed to Tatami 4. 8 to 9 years old Advanced Kumite Female,
Calling the attention of 14 to 15 years old intermediate kata male awardees. Please proceed to the awarding area now. 14 to 15 years old intermediate kata male awardees. The awarding area now. Thank you. To 17 years old advanced kata male players proceed now to tatami 3. Again, 16 to 17 years old advanced kata male players, tatami 3. Go, go, go. Last call, Ramirez Criswell Aka from AK Bayawan. Proceed to tatami 1 now. This is for 16 to 17 years old intermediate kata male category.
Okay, monitors for the staging area and tatami monitors, please coordinate properly and make your task fast. Do your jobs quickly because we are 2 hours behind schedule.
Calling the attention of 10 to 11 years old advanced female kumite players, City out. And Largo Emerson James from AOK Shitorio out. Proceed now to Tatami 3.
Once again, we would like to reiterate, please vacate the area for staging area if you are non-athletes. Meaning parents and audience do not stay inside the staging area. Once again ha, para di ta mawawan, di ta mo ipaguyod o gwardya, hawani na diha. Ayaw mo tungtong diha sa staging area.
All players from different categories have finished their bout. Please proceed to the awarding area. Repeat, all players have finished in their respective categories. Please proceed now to the awarding area to receive your medals.
Calling 12 to 15 years old team Kata female. Please proceed to Tatami 2 now. AOK Shitorio, Kuntao team 1, Kuntao team 2, Kuntao team 3, and Kuntao team 4. Again, 12 to 15 years old team Kata female. Please proceed to Tatami 2 now. AOK Shitorio, Kuntao team 1, team 2, team 3, and team 4. Thank you.
disqualified. Coaches, please be more attentive to your players. After this bout, prepare Macapobre versus Lucero.
Yung tinatawag nila last call mo kanina ba? Na meron na.
Team Kata.
Once again ha, meron si Versus Rapon. Kamo gyapoy nag-stay diha, nag-crowd mo sa staging area. Last warning. Please vacate that area. That is only intended for the players who are about to play or who are about to be on the tatami. Stay on deck na diha. So palihog. Staging area na hawani og di kay mo mohawan diha. DQ gina yung mga bata diha.
Sensei. Go. There, apa. After this bout, prepare Macapobre Maria Elijah from Cuntao versus Lucero Zora Tinet from BCSKC.
Mga gwardiya diha ha. Ipatulog yun mo sa gwardiya diha mga mamanser. Di gihapon mo kasabot, murag wata di ta tungog. Para gigwa, pasaylo ako ha. Pasaylo ako daan.
Base. Kelp. Okay. Base, Kelp. Ligawas. Wala pa. After this bout, prepare Lurag versus Brutas.
Tama sa kamera mo.
staging area. Di gapon mo cooperate, dikyo na mo yung mga bata. Sige. O di mo kabaw, muhawa diha, gawa sa staging area.
Makapobre, Lucero. Makapobre, Aka, Lucero, you're out.
Please raise your hand, Navidad Zian Ross from JKS Philippines CV.
Nangayo ramis inyong kooperasyon aron mudagan og tarong atong duwa. 9 PM ra kutob ang mall unya daghan kay tag entries and 2 hours delayed ta. So please parents, we need your full cooperation on this matter. Step away from the staging area, please. Balhin lang mo na malihog mi. Sabtanay ta. Pangita lang mo laing area nga makalili mo sa duwa. Puro na tagbungol ani, klaro kay dako kay microphone, dako kay sound system. Ipakita sa inyong mga anak that you are worthy of kanang emulating mga models mo nila sa inyong mga bata. Ang karate should be disciplined ang mga tao. So kamo parents mo sa inyong mga bata, labaw na kamong disiplinado.
After this bout, prepare Lurag, Aka from JK versus Brutas from AUK.
Leon Lope.
Una. Calling the attention of 18 years old and above advanced kata male players. Proceed to tatami 1 now. Again, 18 years old and above advanced kata male players. Tatami 1 now. Thank you.
Standby, Lucero from BCSKC, Tumakay from USJRKC, Aka versus Dinoy Precious from Dojo 1
Navidad. Calling Navidad. Please proceed to tatami 3 now.
Ang si Talio, ikatatanto. Maktod sa tao si...
So, sikat is...
Calling the attention of Navidad Zian Ross and Albores James Dial. Please proceed to tatami 3 now. Navidad Zian Albores James Dial. Last call.
Sixteen to 17 years old intermediate kata male awardees. Proceed to the awarding area now. Again, 16 to 17 years old intermediate kata male awardees to the awarding area now. Non-players and parents vacate the awarding podium. Vacate the awarding podium. I repeat, non-players, please vacate the awarding podium. Vacate. Vacate the awarding podium. Thank you.
Proceed to the match, Lurag versus Brutas. After this category, please prepare Tumakay, Aka versus Dinoy Precious from Dojo 1.
Last call, Navidad from JKS CV. Last call. Please proceed to tatami 3 now.
Lim Ayesha. JRKC versus Dinoy Precious from Bujuan. After this bout, please prepare. Sanchez Clarent Aka from Kuntao versus Bonghanoy Anika from Warriors Karate Team. Beijing Lumaktod, Lim Ariasha Chabs.
Please prepare Catalan and Albores. You're after this match. Calling all 8 to 9 years old beginners Kumite female. Please proceed to Tatami 2 now. Lang Crystal and Derby Shari Kabatingan Sofia Brutas Francesca Quest Joanna Katipan Lucia and Sipido Hanela Moreno Julia Rico Puerto Az Arunia Ella Batayola Mia Fajardo Corsino Pia Puesca I. Please proceed to Tatami 2 now. Again, 8 to 9 years old, beginners Kumite female. Thank you.
After this bout, prepare Lumaktod Arlana Nicole from JK Philippines Aka versus Lim Ariasha Chams from AUK Cebu Ao. Standby Sanchez Clarence Sofia from Kuntao versus Bonghanoy Anika from Warriors Karate Team Ao.
Calling the players of 7 years old and below, beginners Kumite. Dingding Kalitea, Buktuanon Salina Daniel Sapphire. Please proceed to Tatami 2 now. Again, 7 years old and below, beginners Kumite female. Dingding Kalitea from Kuntao, Buktuanon from JK Fields Minglanilla, Daniel Sapphire from Dungkay JKH. Calling also the players of 8 to 9 years old beginners Kumite female. Please proceed to Tatami 2 now. Lang Crystal.
Winner Aka. Next, proceed to Tatami 4. Lumaktod Arlana Nicole from JKA and KK Philippines versus Lim Ariasha Chans.
Lang Crystal Hope.
After this bout, prepare Maliones Samantha from AK Maasing versus Talio Cassandra from AOK Shituri.
And Derby Shari Kabatingan Sofia, Brutas Francesca, Quest Joanna Steffi, Katipan Lucia.
Beijing Sanchez Clarence Sofia of Kuntao Aka, Bonghanoy Anika Sage, Warriors Karate Team Ao. Again, Sanchez Clarence Sofia of Kuntao, please proceed to Tatami 4.
Again, calling 8 to 9 years old beginners Kumite female. Please proceed to Tatami 2 now. Moreno Julia, Rico Puerto Az, Arunia Ella, Batayola Mia, Fajardo, D'Angelic, Corsino Pia, and Puesca Eileen. Please proceed to Tatami 2 now.
Malones Samantha Hyacinth AKC Maasin versus Talio Cassandra of AOK Shitorio. Ow.
Ranging from 12 to 15 years old in Kata men players. Aka, Kuntang Team 2, Nagkahas Otero Gonzaga. Aka, Kuntang Team 1, Unares Amistoso. And out, CIT Yucatán Club, Akata Tansingo and Tumagit. Please proceed to Kata men 3 now. Thank you. Sixteen years old above team Kata men players. Proceed to Kata men 1 now. Out, Puntao, Pagyasa, Regalo, and Acuñas. Please proceed to the staging area now.
Kuntao coach, please proceed to tatami 4. Kuntao coach, please proceed to tatami 4. Next, Malones Samantha Hyacinth AKC Maasin versus Talio Cassandra AOK Chitorio. For next bout, Sanchez Clarence Sofia of Puntao versus Bonganoy Anika Sage of Warriors Karate Team. Second call for Sanchez Clarence Sofia of Puntao. Bonghanoy Anika. Next, Sanchez Clarence Sofia versus Bonghanoy Anika Sage. Next bout, Dalde Jace of USJRKC and Larobes Bell. Please prepare. Kel, Kaden, Chantel, Elaine, Aka, Brutas Precious Kyle, AUK, Cebu, Al, Lucero, Zora, Tianet, BCSKC, Aka, Tumakay, Maria Francesca, Carly, Al, Malones, Samantha Hyacinth, AKC, Maasin, Aka, Lumakad, Arlana Nicole, Next, Dalde Jace versus Lerobes Bell. Dalde Jace of USJRKC. Dalde Jace, Aka. Lerobes Bell. Next, in the mat, Kelp, Kaden Chantal Elaine versus Brutas, Precious Kyle of AUK Cebu.
Calling Quest Joanna Steffi from AAK Sikihor. Quest Joanna Steffi from AAK Sikihor. 8 to 9 years old, beginners committee female. Please proceed to Tatami 2 now. Again, calling Quest Joanna Steffi from AAK Sikihor.
Bonghanoy Aka, Dalde Ao.
Up to 15 years old, Team Catamel players. Aka, Puntao Team 2, Alcahas Otero Gonzaga. Aka, Puntao Team 1, Monares Amistoso. And finally, CITU Karate Club Ao, Acaba, Tansinco, and Dumagit. This is your first call. Proceed to Tatami 3 now. Thank you.
Calling 10 to 11 years old, beginners committee female. Please. Again, calling 10 to 11 years old, beginners committee female. Please proceed to Tatami 2 now. Colin Kenzie, Hayag Generous, Palco Camille, Mag-asin Hermel, Covillier Mayumi, Pano Elizabeth, Paternal Sophie, Lang Sofia Mancao Faith, Yunsa Chenyal, Zara Riam, Sukalit Kai, Madali Rain Yuri. Please proceed to Tatami 2 now.
After this bout, Malones, Aka, Lumagtod, Ao. Prepare, Bonghanoy Aka, Dalde Ao. versus Dalde Ao. Bong Hanoy. Please prepare for the next bout. Brutas Precious Kyle, AUK Cebu Aka, Tumakay Maria Francesca Carly Au. Foundation Kumita Female, Epe Kiera Luis, JKS Philippines CV Aka, Balindres Ariela Daniel, JKS Philippines AO, Siashon Janelle Riley, JKS Philippines CV Aka, Traya Alondra, Dojo 1 Cebu, JKA Philippines AO, Navasquez Janine, JKS Philippines CV Aka, Sundo Lian Merese, ESKE KSA JKS AO, Alivio Samantha Kate Esquid Bugo Martial Arts Aka, and Mangkikis Akemi Dojo 1 Cebu JKA Philippines AO. Please proceed to Tatami 4.
Calling the attention, 18 years old and above intermediate Katamain players, proceed to Tatami 3 now. Repeat, 18 years old and above intermediate Katamain players, proceed to Tatami 3 now.
Hello. 8 to 9 years old advanced Kumite female. Turingan Isabel Luis ASKS JKS Cebu Aka. Rabin Amela Christie Kuntao Ao. Next, Brutas Aka Tumakay Ao. Again, 8 to 9 years old advanced Kumite female proceed to the staging area. Turingan Isabel Luis ASKS JKS Cebu Aka. Rabin Amila Christie Kuntao Ao. Paloma Maria Fina AUK Cebu Aka. Lianto Airi Dojoan Cebu JKA Philippines Ao. Molina Azalea Lirain AKC Maasin Aka. Cortez Philippines Art Cortez Princess Arki Kuntao Ao. Traya Zar of Warriors Karate Team Aka, Regis Eres Chloe Kuntao Ao, Alcoseba Eunice May OSSK PK Aka, Danielle Velvet Varay Jax Bacaro of Dumkai JKH Ao, Conjit Jillian Chelsea of Kuntao Aka, the Logdog Sialin of CIT University Karate Club Ao.
Next bout,
second call po.
Next, Malones, Aka, Dalde, Ao. Brutas, you're still Aka.
Years old and above Team Kata male players, proceed to Tatami 1 immediately. Ao, Team Kuntao, Maglasang Verano, Agunyas, proceed to Tatami 1 immediately. This is your first call. Thank you.
Eight to 9 years old, Foundation 4. Oh, it's up now. 8 to 9. Foundation 4.
Next, 1 minute break for Malones. Malones change to blue. 1 minute rest for Malones. On the mat, Turingan Isabel Luis ASK JKS Cebu versus Rabin Amela Christie of Kuntao. Ao.
Low.
Next bout, please prepare Paloma Maria Aka, Lianto Airi Au.
See? Yeah. Ayun na pag-mic, ayun na pag-mic.
Calling Magasin Carmel Kendra from BCSKC and Mancao Faith Nicole from BCSKC. Please proceed to Tatami 2 now. Again, Magasin Carmel Kendra, Mancao Faith Nicole. Hello. Calling also Pano Elizabeth from BMDA. No Elizabeth. Last call, Pano Elizabeth. Please proceed to Tatami 2 now. 32 na.
Any players who have not played yet, please do not sit on the tatami. Please, thank you.
Sakto. Sila. Ay, hindi. Katipan. Katipan?
Please proceed to the tatami 3 now. Thank you.